Living paycheck to paycheck? Be honest for a second. If your car broke down tomorrow and it cost $800 to fix, could you pay for it without using a credit card? Most Americans can't. In fact, nearly 60% of us can't cover a $1,000 emergency. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step plan to save your first $1,000, even if you feel like you're broke right now. This isn't a get-rich-quick trick. It's a realistic plan built for real people. I'm going to walk you through 5 clear steps to build your safety net, starting today. Step 1. Step 1 is not exciting, but it is the most powerful thing you will do. You need to get brutally honest with your money. For the next 30 days, I want you to track every single penny. You can use an app or a piece of paper, it doesn't matter. But you need to add one specific column next to every price. Ask yourself, was this a need or a want? When you see it written down, you realize that while your income might be low, your leaks are high. We aren't going to cut everything, but we need to find where your money is hiding. Step 2. Step 2 is cutting the silent leaks. These are the small expenses that steal your wealth without you noticing. Let's look at the math. A streaming service you barely watch? That's $15. Buying lunch twice a week instead of packing it? That's $100 a month. Random gas station snacks? Another $40. Just by tightening up these 3 tiny things, you found $155 a month. That is $1,800 a year. Enough for your emergency fund and then some. Try a 30-day challenge. Cancel the subscriptions. Cook at home. It's not forever, just until we hit that $1,000 goal. Step 3. Step 3 is where most people fail. They wait to see what's left over at the end of the month to save. Spoiler alert, there is never anything left over. You have to flip the script. You must pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer for the day you get paid. Even if it is just $25 or $50, if the money moves before you see it, you will learn to live without it. Treat your savings account like a bill that must be paid. You wouldn't skip rent, so don't skip your future. Step 4. Sometimes cutting expenses isn't enough. If your income is very low, you need a temporary boost to hit that $1,000 quickly. Look around your room. Do you have clothes, electronics, or furniture you don't use? Selling 5 items for $20 each is a quick $100. Can you pick up one overtime shift or drive for a delivery app for just 2 weekends? Remember, this isn't your new life. It's a short-term sprint to build your safety net. Step 5. Once you hit that $1,000, you have to protect it. This money has one job: to save you from disaster. Put this money in a separate high-yield savings account so it's harder to access. When you have this cushion, you sleep better. A flat tire becomes an inconvenience, not a crisis. The conclusion: saving your first $1,000 is the hardest part of the financial journey. Once you do this, you prove to yourself that you are in control of your money, not the other way around. Which of these steps are you going to start today? Let me know in the comments. If you want to make finance simple, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video where we talk about the best budgeting apps for beginners. Thanks for watching.